Welcome back to my channel, guys. To my returning supporters, appreciate you all. To my channel members, thank you guys so much for the support. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please join that subscribe button for more delicious recipes. As you see from the title, guys, today I'm preparing some carrot porridge. So come along with me to the kitchen. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to make some carrot and oats porridge. It's very delicious, creamy, and the steps are easy, guys. So I'm just going to peel my carrots and blend. And I'm using my peeler, and I just peel these. Here I've completely peeled and trimmed the ends. I'm just going to wash these, slice, so we can put to blend. Just slice them, guys, so they're easier to blend in our blender. You can grate if you wish, but I'm just going to put it in my blender. Okay, here I have a cup of water in my blender, and I'm going to add my carrots. I'm just going to blend that till it's completely smooth. Here's my carrot, guys, completely blend. And I'm just going to put this in my water that's already boiled in. Here I have my water boiled in, and I have a cinnamon stick and some salt, and I'm just going to pour out my carrots. Stir and allow this to boil for 4 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, guys, next step, here I have a cup of oats. This can be done in 2 ways. You can put it in your food processor and mill this to become flour, or in my case, I'm just going to add it in my blender with some water and blend until smooth, and we use that for thickener. You can use flour, but I'm going to use my oats for thickener. Okay, I'm just going to pour this in our blender with maybe 3/4 cups of water, and we're going to blend this until it becomes thickened, so we can use it for our thickener for our carrot porridge. Very thick, guys. This is a healthy version. As I said, you can use flour, but I'm using oats to be my thickener. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's bubbling away. Now I'm going to add my blended oats, and you stir while pouring so it doesn't become lump. Okay? condensed milk. You can use whichever milk of your choice. I'm going to add some nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, I'm also going to add some vanilla. I have the white one, and we just sweeten. This is ready, guys. And I'm just going to come back when I serve. It's bubbling away. And I'm going to serve my porridge. There's my carrot porridge, guys. And of course, I'm going to add my water crackers, of course. And I'm just going to add these. This is our Jamaican drink porridge, guys, with crackers. Yeah? Here you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Test out this one. It's very delicious, guys. Another option, you can add plantain with it instead of the oats. And if you want to put it and bring it to another mention, you can add some raw peanuts. That tastes very delicious too, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. To my returning supporters, appreciate you all. And if it's the first time you came across my channel, please hit the subscribe button and join the family. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.